Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rachel and I am bringing you another amazing makeup tutorial with my girl Jessica. Today I'm going to be using Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette. We're going to start with Cocoa Truffle as our transition color. Then Classy and Sassy all over the eyelids. Ooh, I just love that color. Look at that. Using the darker shade in the palette, I'm going to be applying it along the upper lash line and extend it slightly outwards. Then taking my blender brush and blending it out. I want it to be slightly smoked out. Repeat this step until you get the desired intensity you're looking for. Taking the same eyeshadow to define the crease. At the inner corner of the eye, I applied Rich Girl. This color is amazing. Love it! Taking the first two colors and applying it to the bottom lash line. I feel like this gives the eyes more drama. Now let's take care of some of that fallout. This is the reason why sometimes it's a good idea to start with the eyeshadow, then move forward to foundation. Jessica has beautiful eyebrows, so I'm not gonna really touch it. The only thing I'm gonna do to it is just apply brow gel. Next, eyelashes. Then taking that dark eyeshadow to intensify the look. Just be careful that you don't get fallout at this point. Okay, time for contouring. Powder. Eyeliner, mascara. Followed by blush. Trophy wife highlighter. Oh my gosh, this highlighter is insane. Last but not least, lips. I hope you guys love this look and have fun trying it out. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that notification button. See you on my next video. Bye!